Somebody, yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club. Where the bottles at rose.
What's going on, guys? It's your favorite YouTuber, Playboi, back again with another video. And yes, we're back on the Call of Duty. So if you've already read the title or seen the thumbnail, then you know that this is about how to get score streaks quicker or get those higher score streaks for those beginner players or people that might be struggling to do so. It is a big major part of the multiplayer online is being able to get those score streaks. So if you are struggling, make sure you go ahead and watch the full video so I can share my tips and tricks with you guys. And guys, again, you don't have to be a pro. You don't have to train forever like this guy right here. But see, guys, you don't have to actually be able to play the game for many years to be able to get score streaks. And so if you want to know how to get them quicker, or if you're, like I say, you're new and you just want to find the easiest way to get the score streaks, then go ahead and stay tuned. Make sure you watch this full video and I'll go ahead and lay it out for you so that you can start getting the highest score streaks on the game. And also, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and drop that subscribe here on this channel. We do a lot of Call of Duty content and other things, as well as, you know, tech videos, reviews, funny vlogs, things with the family, things like that. So if you're here for some entertainment, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And also, if it does entertain you or teach you something, make sure you go ahead and also drop that like on this video too. It helps out quite a bit, and share it with everyone that you think might enjoy it also. And guys, also all the links to my merch store and all the equipment I use to record my videos, things like that, if you're interested in it, is in the links also in the description. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, getting right into it, the first thing that we want to look at when we think about getting score streak quicker or getting those higher score streaks is your equipment that you're going to be using. So the first thing I suggest is definitely running with the Antec device. This gives you your score streaks at a discounted price. So where, like for instance, the Antec helicopter normally costs you 1,300 score, it's only going to cost you 1,000. Also, looking at your score streaks, one of the ones that I recommend for any new person or someone that's struggling to get score streaks, run UAV. Even though I hate the UAV, it gives you score without you even pulling the trigger. So, and when we look at the score streaks, the blue number on the right hand side is going to be the number you have to look at with the Antec device that you have to get, whereas the yellow number on the left is without the Antec device. And with this game footage that I'm showing you here, I did want to show you when I got killed. That way you knew that I was starting fresh and how long it takes me to go ahead and get all three of my score streaks, so that you can kind of get a picture of how quick, if you use all these things that I'm telling you, how quick you can get it. Again, you still have to be somewhat kind of good to get the first couple of kills to get it all started, but then it kind of just you know, kind of like a chain reaction afterwards. Now, I will say that before the update, when you got a score streak, it would actually help you get another one. Those scores are actually been lowered, so now you have to actually, you know, kind of get those kills. And in an objective mode like this one, you can get scored just from picking up the tag. And the one person I recommend for a new person is the guy I'm using right here, Recon. As you can see right here on my screen, I'm not pulling the trigger and I'm getting scores towards my score streak. Anywhere from 50, 30 to 70. It depends on who's alive when that post goes out and who it tags. So of course, if a person's in the midst of dying and hasn't responded yet, then you don't get that score when you post. So again, it changes. But if you're able to post the whole team, you're easily getting 75 points, 70 to 75 points easy without even pulling the trigger. So these are my tips to getting those score streaks quicker or being able to get to those higher score streaks if you are new and you're having that struggle to get there. So anyways, if you have any comments, questions, or anything for me, make sure you leave those in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer those at any time. And again, guys, if this video does help you, go ahead and drop that like and share it to the people that you think it might also help, guys. Sharing the videos, make sure it helps me out quite a bit, because right now YouTube is broken. Some people are getting notifications, some people are not, whether you subscribe or don't subscribe to the channel. So make sure you also go ahead and hit that bell notification right next to the subscribe button so that you can make sure you get those notifications when the videos do come out. I typically go ahead and drop the videos Monday and Fridays at 9 a.m. If I do miss one of those drops, I do apologize. I am not a full-time YouTuber. I would definitely love to be, but I am not. So just kind of work with me here, guys. I do try to make fun content for you and stay on point. Definitely my biggest focus is Call of Duty content, but I do a lot of other things on the channel like tech reviews, vlogs, anything that's entertaining to you guys. So if you have an idea for a video, make sure you also leave that, and if I use it, trust me, I'll give you credit, I promise. Anyways, that's it for your boy Playboi. Peace.
Here, let me break it down. Yeah, I'm gonna make it now. Give me some time and you'll see me up on stage somehow. I'm working every day, I'm working hella late. I'm working cause it's worth it. Once you make it, then you play. I'm never slowing down.